Everyone is accountable for their individual actions and that of their organizations. Safeguarding means protecting the well-being and human rights of vulnerable people in our community, enabling them to live free from harm, abuse, and neglect. It is an integral part of providing support services. Safeguarding children, young people, and adults is a collective responsibility. Don't engage in discriminatory practices. Provide support to individuals consistently and without discrimination. Treat all individuals fairly and equally, irrespective of their age, gender, race, religion, sexual orientation, disability, or any other characteristic. Maintain confidentiality. Respect every individual's privacy and maintain confidentiality when providing support services. Share information only with those directly involved in that individual's care. Don't engage in inappropriate relationships or behaviors. Maintain appropriate professional boundaries when working with vulnerable individuals. Avoid any form of exploitation, manipulation, or abusive behavior. Do not engage in intimate or inappropriate relationships with those in your care or supervision. Create a safe and supportive environment. Establish an environment where everyone feels safe, respected, and valued. Promote open communication and encourage individuals to share their concerns or experiences. Don't delay reporting concerns. Time is critical. If you suspect abuse, neglect, or harm, report it promptly, following the established reporting procedures. Delaying reporting can put individuals at further risk and hinder the necessary interventions. Report concerns. If you have a reasonable belief that someone may be at risk of harm, report your concerns to the appropriate authority, such as a designated staff liaison or a helpline. Don't assume someone else will take action. If you become aware of a concern, do not assume that someone else will address it. It is your responsibility to report and take appropriate action within your role and capacity. Follow safeguarding policies and procedures. Familiarize yourself with the policies and procedures in your organization or community. Attend and participate in safeguarding sessions and training. Adhere to them consistently and report any violations or breaches. Don't ignore or dismiss concerns. Take all concerns and reports of abuse, neglect, or harm seriously. It is crucial to listen to and believe individuals who come forward with allegations or suspicions. Listen and take concerns seriously. Actively listen to individuals and take their concerns seriously. Respond promptly and appropriately to any disclosures or signs of abuse or neglect. Seed Foundation is committed to providing high-quality, comprehensive, and effective support services to survivors of violence and those at risk, and takes every effort to ensure the safety, security, and dignity of all who seek our help. For more information, please contact us. contact@seedkurdistan.org. Online complaints form. Complaints and suggested boxes in Seed office and centers. Email complaints@seedkurdistan.org. Toll free 964-776-0944-580 or 964-751-740-8944. Facebook, facebook.com/Seed Kurdistan. Twitter, twitter.com/Seed Kurdistan.